inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Oh, the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 that will change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with you to the street. Please don't deny, your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong.
Morning, guys. Today is on Sunday. This is Sunday morning, and Jana, I slept so late. I slept at 2 a.m. Imagine 2 a.m. And my husband is actually not here. Aku come. He slept at work, so it's just me and my babies, So that's why. So on this Sunday day, I think I'm not going to tell you like what will happen. Mommy, don't cry. I'm not going to tell you like my routine for today. I'm just going to let it catch you by surprise. Kelly, say hi. People tell me that this baby is my copyright, and I totally agree. Ebu angalieni. Just look at her. I know she's so hungry. Let me wake up and just get her something to eat. Hey, mommy. Hey, Sasa. It's time for you to eat. I know you're very, very hungry. It's time for you to eat. Oh, guys, just look at my bed. This is how we woke up, and Casey's sleeping in her bedroom, and yeah. So there's Kelly. I want to feed her. So guys, I think I'm gonna see you guys later. There's this episode that I've been watching from YouTube. Guys, these episodes have actually kept me away from Netflix, away from all the favorite things that I've been watching on TV. They've been keeping me busy. Imagine sometimes I end up being on my phone like the whole day. I don't mean like the whole day because of course I'm going to take care of these people, but hey, the times that I used to spend watching TV, the times that I used to spend watching movies, nowadays I can watch even one movie for a month because of this episode. So these episodes are called Paternity Court. I don't know if you guys have gone and watched that out. Paternity Court is dope. You go there and see how men deny their children, but sometimes it's good to check the paternity test of your child if you have doubts. So guys, let me feed her real quick. Let me feed her real quick, and then
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Oh, the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 that will change it, change it. I would like to tell you inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay?
Kula yako mami, kula yako.
What's all this? I was having a lot of trouble picking just one interest for my portrait, and then it hit me. I'll pose doing all of them, right? What do you think?
Ati it is your right to?
It's my right to go to the hospital.
Mbona unasema hivyo?
Alisema kama mimi ni mgonjwa au sister yako, unafaa mama anafaa kupeleka mtoto hospitali asikufe. Na tutafai kwenda shule.
So teacher aliwaambia that's your right?
Yes. And it's my right to sleep, to rest.
Well,
to eat.
Kids of these days,
To see, to go to church.
It is your right to also go to church?
Yes.
Then unafaa uoge uende church.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street.
So guys, I didn't actually get the opportunity to vlog as I was doing my makeup and all that stuff because this baby is not feeling so well. And guys, I'm on my way to my mother's place because there's something I want to go and do there. So I'm going to drag you guys along with me. So guys, tendeni pale hivyo
Homeboys Radio.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine light in the beautiful city.
Sina mwenye next hapo Jesco.
Like diamonds in the sky.
Kama utakemewa. Unaiko leo na magia. Hii gari ni ule nani? Mwenye nani anaitwa aje? Ile wholesale inakuwa pale nini next na
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my street. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong.
Hey guys, so today is on Wednesday and I'm going to talk as I do things here and there. So today is on Wednesday, and I think I'm going to finish this vlog today. So what I'm doing right now, I want to blend some fruits. Yeah, some fruits here, some watermelon, and also I have a mango. So what am I saying? I always wash thoroughly my fruits before, even the watermelon. Hata kama imefungwa, even if it's just wrapped like this, I must take off the wrap and then wash it, because I'm not sure the night that nilikata if it's clean or what, and I have a small kid, so I have to take care. Today I have a giveaway that I want to give out. I have things that I want to give out. Actually, these things are dolls that I want to give out, and I'm not going to say they are new. They are not new, but they are dolls that are really in good condition. So instead of just, I felt like I don't want dolls anymore in my home. So instead of just like throwing them away, I decided to give someone out there might want dolls, and I'm here throwing them away, which is not right. So I'm going to give a subscriber sorry, it was falling. As I was saying, I'm going to give the dolls to a subscriber, and all you need to do is actually subscribe to my channel, comment down below, like this video, and also go to Instagram and follow me. My name is Rachel_kibiro, RACHEL_KIBIRO. Actually, I'm going to put those details up here, and after you do that, you screenshot those things and send it to me. Then I'll be able to know how the dolls will actually get to you. So let's do this, and I just want to blend my fruits because my baby is actually not feeling well. She has been feeling unwell for a long time now. The lights are gone. She has been feeling unwell for a long time now, but I've taken her to hospital, and
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you.
guys, I wanted to show you guys actually the dolls that I was talking about. So I think I'm gonna put you guys down here. Yeah, better, you guys can see me. So let me show you guys. So I have this doll here, and actually bought it for my home, but I don't feel I need it anymore. So I also bought this poop emoji that I want to give away to you guys. So yeah, I'm going to show you more. So these ones are two. You have these two, they actually look alike. So yeah, and the poop one. We also have this nice teddy bear here. Actually, my daughter loves this teddy bear so much, but still I'm going to give it away. And also we have this huge teddy bear that I'm all going to give out. So yeah, it has also a baby, so I'm also going to give out this teddy bear. And also this one, I think this one is a dog, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'm also going to give out these ones. So these dolls, basically, I was thinking like giving them to one person is not fair, so maybe I can actually give them to, let me see, I can actually give them to two people. I can give this teddy bear to one person. Yeah, this one will be a gift to the first person that does that, and the rest I'm going to give them to another person. So I'm going to give them to just two people. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you comment down below to this video, make sure you like this video, and make sure you follow me on IG. Give me a screenshot, then I'm going to know how to
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can